This is your stage, your spotlight. Hello, Meghalaya. Your story starts here.
Annai shari Nongwai, Shong Kop Halarampai, Dau Jango Jatang, Pipun Lanti Shado Jentang, Hoi Hoi, Hoi Hoi. Kidai Kintien Kibalapen Snow Dau Doctor Uba Sumar Brio Haka Jingrwai Khanatang, Kabola Tho Hakisnam Schwab un Klan, but Kabami Pertai Menta Daka Surki Nega Video, Kabala Aikerteng, Ko LAPALANG. Uniu doktor ubala yo ru ya kasap an pasat lam ya kasenyang jong u ha ka tho katar udiu doktor hamar babyang kharlukhi bola khlat no pat na kani gasla perthai hausnam arjar khan riu hapadang ka jing shakri ka jong u komu doktor ban ai ka jing sumar shau bun riu ha ka pang ka shitom kata na du usnam khat khandai spa nyo phuwei ka bo beteng ha kisnam khat khandai spa nyo pu at hadu khat khandai spa nyo pusan bat ka sarkar jala kum u assistant surgeon nang ta pat ban trei pat kum medical officer na du usnam khat khandai spa anyopsan hadu usnam khat khandai spa prapo ha H Gordon Robert Hospital bat ka jing shakri jong u ha kani ka kam ka beteng pat kum doktor shimet ha maulai da ka ba Shillong clinic hadu ka sngi jingyap jong u ka jing it pat ka jong u ya ka ri kampkut tang ban shushakri kum unong sumar pang new doctor Henry ban long unong sam ya ka jing start da ki jing tho jong u ki balapen kelapat ha ki ba bun rukom kum ka film nabon na lor ki wei bat ka ba kenthop ya ka Jingrwai Khanatang ka bala pelat pat ba ha ka arpoi trip Jylliew araja arpusan ka bala ai kerteng ko LAPALANG Dau Dr. Ricky AJ Singkon ha ka hall ka badan ha Shillong Polytechnic Maulai ha ringkat ka jia don lang ki wei pat ki kenram ki lendan ha kani ka sngi ha ba pelat ya kani ka Jingrwai ka bala ruai da ka Viralin Ameda Kongsit bat ka bala pen bet pen biang da wei na gi khon shinrang jong u uba Elma War baru paralog jong u uba EL dhar bat ban yo e ka jing kersan pat daki hinman bat ki para shinrang kenthop ka jing ai man sim ka kmi jong ki ka kong montiles war la yo ban sngo ya ka jing kran na ki nong sha khot snobha kum uba shambor lang renja u chief executive member ka KHADC kum sembot kongsan bat u Dr. Ricky AJ Singkon kum kongsan bat ru ban yo sngo ya ka Jingrwai kerpang ka bla thau da i kong silbi pasa
Maryam kadaling abisa Shanu pile pino yaga Ki kam pitu piklem penna Pi bawin sil kasila base
Harang men lalong deng kado baklay mengi bakernai ya shaneng sharum tuan rajin syai ya perthai badung
Shemegnika laat ke kabum ya kabangan khap yu ribon kum kadak jong keting play ya kani ka music video ko LAPALANG it's kaboblen kerku ya kani ga music video kanong ka jingkerku yang i wadon hangni kanong ka jingkerku ya ki kon gikti pateng kabangan ublen kerku ya kani ka music video
Banyak hilang, ban buram, ningkong yau ni nong thok berkelat, kupa juga negeri ye, kupa om tang ulong kupa juga negeri ye, dari ulong unong hikai nong babu, lembak kejing thok kejing ye, kumbala ayat snow negeri khon kejong ye, kupa om tang kejing thok, jong ini babu, om tang hasintuk, mereka lor menong. Baka jing thok jing babu pleng kadang-kadang shitrap hak jing tin show ka baka yeng dan tin show paling it's come baka yeng dan penni na shifa kenang baki kun samlai yomi kader kat kaya Kaba ki kon sama jungi ki kham jai to ban pulai kat. Kelapoi kapor ki kon sama jungi ki kham pek pulun por shimon hakini ki kor di bor jo ke juk ka bamenta. Ban lemma kini ki e ba ka ye kale. Bagi kon jungi ba hamar kilale. Ka sudesi sha ban ai ki jingrok ka bakara.
Nakaliang Dr. Ricky A.J. Singkon, haba aya ke jingkran jang u ha kani ke sngi ulaong. Kani ke Jingrwai Khanatang kadai ke badon kam ban pen sngo ru sya ka perthai, namar kadai ke Jingrwai ka badon ke Jingmut ke Jylliew, baki wei ki dai ban yo sngo, ke bolapan ke Jingbet, bo un kran pat daga ketin nong wei, kata daga pareng, kenang bakin tip ru ya ke Jingrwai spa hakaliang ke culture, jong kani ke ri.
Music video Ko LAPALANG, a visual interpretation of one of our most treasured folk narratives. I would like to begin by congratulating everyone involved in this, and it revives an important part of our Khasi cultural heritage. Ko LAPALANG, as many of us know, is more than just a name from a folktale. It is a story deeply embedded in our collective memory, one that reflects our values, our worldview, and our connection to nature and spirit. Through generations, our folktales have served as both moral compass and cultural archive, carrying the wisdom of our ancestors in oral form. Today, by transforming this story into a music video, the creative team, again led by Elmer and his team, has given a new life to our past and shown us a new way forward. Passion is dwelt a little bit on what is folklore. Well, folklore is not just about stories from long ago. It is the soul of our identity. It is where art meets memory, and where language, music, and narrative come together to shape who we are as a people. But then in today's fast-paced digital world, we must know ourselves. And how do we make sure that our children and their children know these stories? This is one question. Another question: how do we ensure that the voices of our ancestors are not drowned out by the noise of global media? Well, I have an answer. And the answer lies in the very medium that we celebrate today, this afternoon, and that is technology. Music videos like Ko LAPALANG, and innovation such, we see some animation, digital storytelling, augmented reality, light and laser shows. They offer us powerful ways to communicate with the younger generation. And I believe that these platforms, they allow our folktales to be rediscovered, not just as a heritage, but as living stories that will continue to teach, will continue to inspire, and will continue to connect us with our past. Well, standing here as a representative in the Lok Sabha, I strongly believe that we must invest more in the intersection of culture and innovation. And this afternoon, it is what exactly you're all witnessing to this intersection of culture and innovation with the help of technology. Well, let us continue to promote digital storytelling hubs, support local creative enterprises, integrate folktale folklore into school curricula, and youth engagement programs. Friends, when our folk tales are brought to life through the lens of modern media, I tell you that they do not lose their essence. Rather, they gain new wings. Let the launch of this Ko LAPALANG be a call for action for artists, educators, technologists, policymakers to come together to protect, preserve, promote our oral tradition using the tools of the 21st century. And friends, let me remind us here that when we preserve our folklore, we preserve not just stories of our past, but also the spirit of our people. So once again, I congratulate the team. This music here would go a long way to be a blessing to each and every person, not just among our people, but even beyond. And I hope that we will and you will continue to do great things for the good of the future generation.
Naka Jingyo Jingbet naki khon jong Dr. Hamar Babiang naka liang Shillong Mail un pen sngap ya khendiat ya ka Jingrwai ka phila pat ban petlot naka YouTube channel Maulai
Juban ba thiang phisat la hi tang marwe kin shreng halarim pe sinda krung jong i
Habatin, pej bahagi kishap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kishap plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam kta ka dur jingki marbam ka jingmat lani ka rukom shed yaki. Balehi banai kita. Kadon ka we ka jingmentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition ba khambha ka jingim ba khambha pendon kam daki mar ba modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shapi the office jong Commissionariat of Food Safety Shillong Meghalaya